Ah yes, the ADV Rider. Observe him now, captured in glorious slow motion, gliding through the wild like a majestic beast who has just discovered first gear. Every flick of the visor, every subtle lean, every heroic glance at the horizon, all slowed down to make even the smallest moment feel legendary. Behind that visor, his mind races faster than his bike ever will. Please let this look cool. Please let someone be filming this. In this moment, time bends. A simple stand-up on the pegs becomes a masterpiece of adventure cinematography, and when the slow motion ends, he carries on. Slightly less graceful, a bit out of breath, but forever ready for his next heroic close-up. Truly, the ADV Rider, turning ordinary rides into epic memories, one dramatic slow motion clip at a time.